Not much.
Cold yet?
I'm good.
You good?
You warm enough?
Yeah. My face was a little cold on the way up.
I took the interstate. Yeah.
So after meeting up with Dave, we head down the Stud Mill Road. Gonna go about 25 miles, and we are headed to Deer Lake Campground. This is just going to be a quick trip, going in, having lunch, having a little fire, and then headed home. It's getting a little chilly at night now for doing overnights. I probably won't do another one this year. And it's not really the temperature that bothers me, but it's the ride home in the morning when my visor fogs up and then the fog freezes to my visor. It ruins the whole ride for me because I can't see anything. So I might try and do a couple more of these little trips this year, but no more overnights. This area might start to look familiar to some of you. I've been here before. I've camped at this campsite. I did an overnight last year where it was kind of my last cold weather camping trip because, again, my visor was freezing up and I had a wax that you put in the visor to keep it from fogging, but even that was freezing and making my visor all white. It was just awful trying to drive home. But the area itself is really nice. I had a great time last year and had a great time this year.
Which I think would be pretty cool too. Yeah, it would. You know, you just bring, cots or whatever.
Maybe the wife would come then.
Yeah, she probably would. She probably would do it. I don't know. I might be able to get her to do this.
Yeah.
I think so. Maybe once. Maybe once. Take her to the what the hell was it? Old Stream where the bugs are there.
Yeah. Right.
Never go again. I don't like the bugs. I don't blame her. I just tolerate them. Alright. Oh, the guy was pretty impatient to pass.
And yep, even going 40 to 50 miles an hour on this dirt road We got past. I don't know where he was going, but he was in a hurry.
He was flying. Yeah, he was. Like, go with it, baby.
Do his hunting spot.
Yeah. Go with it. Get all that stuff here. I thought you were going to use your spark thing.
Pretty much giving up on that.
Giving up on that idea. Matches are so much easier.
Yeah. I can do the spark thing if I have. If I bring a piece of wood like this.
Right.
But I can't do it with just if I scavenge.
Cheap wood, pine needle.
Then it's time to head home. Dave can't help but play in the sand for a little bit before we head out.
Wedding. Wow.
You made it to the wedding.
There was a sign on the side of the road that said, "You made it to the wedding." Can't imagine getting married way out here, but it is a beautiful spot. And that is about it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.